Cold start. What up, world? Welcome back to the episode of Skinny's World. Woo! For that cold start. Yes, the Batmobile, for me, is alive. Today is going to be a fun day. It's always a fun day in Skinny's World, right? You know what I'm saying, road crew? I'm meeting up with my boy Brock, aka Broccoli. We're headed to a little local Cars and Coffee, somewhere around the hood called Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. It's pretty close. I heard there's some cool cars, man, cool people like always. Maybe we'll see some old school whips, some classic cars. We'll go from there. But first, I gotta let this, I gotta let the R8 warm up a little bit before, I open those pipes. I wanna let my neighbors get upset. And they try and evict me from the neighborhood because the exhaust is too loud. Guys, I'm telling you, it is loud. My first gen R8 with the Army Tricks exhaust, I thought that was loud. Man, no justice. This thing is crazy. Right now I have it on comfort. Pipes are actually closed. That's what I wanted. You get what you asked for, right? Without further ado, let's just get into what we do. And that's ride, have fun, meet people, motivate, get motivated, and live life to the fullest. Because what? That's what road crew's about. So let's get it. Update. Car is warmed up. We about to switch this thing. Oh yeah, they opened. Now you about to put that thing in sport mode. Yep. Manual. Now she's really open. Sorry everybody. I apologize because it's about to get loud. Sorry. Warning, those are not gunshots. That's just my loud exhaust. Well, I know I'm going the right way, Ferrari. Let's get it. You guys, the drive to this event though is beautiful. Woo! It's mountains. It's an awesome drive right now. Wow. I'm telling you, California living, y'all. California living. All right, guys, we're here. This is dope, man. It's different. It's different than the usual Cars and Coffee. It's on the street. That's sick. It's like old school style. So everyone's parked along the curves. And I guess you just get to walk around and check out everybody's cars, man. I like this, though. Old school look. You got Lambos, and the doors go up. You already know what time it is. Wow, look at this Lambo, though. Oh, my God. Classic Mercy. Doors go up. Oh, my. Oh, we got stuff in the truck. Oh, man. Here we go. Oh, wow. Get out. Okay. Okay. Alpine speakers in the front. Not the trunk, the front. Guys, this car has carbon everywhere. Wow. Owner told me he's got seats. It's like a one of one almost. Seats are custom. Of course, you got the carbon with the Mercy down there. You got the custom wheels, wing, see the doors. You see the Alpine system. This is crazy. This is the craziest flex I've ever seen. Wow. Man, what a way to start the day with my favorite all-time 09 Mercy. Wow. All right, now that I'm done dreaming of a white Christmas, let's get back to our regular scheduled program. Can you say that on camera? What's this thing? No, what's this car called again?
It's a BAC mono. It's got push rod suspension.
Wow. This is crazy. I'd have him say it because I couldn't say it on camera. I would have stuttered a lot. I've never seen this thing in my life. It's a straight F1 car. Look at that. Wow. Look at this thing. Ain't it street legal? This is crazy. Look at that. That's incredible. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy smokes. Racing steering wheel. That's crazy. And it's got a screen in the center. This is crazy. And there is carbon fiber everywhere. Everywhere. Now he's here. Latecomer. Hey, dude, yeah, man. How doing,
How are
brother?
you?
Good, man. Hey, look
You
at
smell good.
you too. You smell like broccoli.
I haven't seen this yet.
I've been over here for the past like 15 minutes. I can't leave it. It's crazy. This thing's cool too, though. Dope. With a rally car action. Fresh. Res Bonnie. Oof, this thing is a freaking tank. You gotta custom make these, right? Look at that. Res Bonnie. I don't know if that's the right accent, but rumor is it shocks you if you touch it, right? Right? You touch it, it shocks you. Should I try it? Hell no. $250,000. Build it. Does it really shock you if you touch the door and the alarm's on?
Yeah, it spits poison at you.
Yeah, right? Blue or no blue? Be honest. If you like black cars, do you like black women?
I could dabble a little bit.
Okay, all right. When I turn 50, this is what I'm getting. But the two-door, not the four-door, the two-door. It's when you grow a beard, you don't shave, you wear Tommy Bahama shirts and flip-flops.
You're also divorced. That's fine.
Well, if you get divorced, she taking it.
So I get it after.
And they riding low though. Look, they're riding low in there. Just lean back. Fat Joe. Doors are open, and my boys one driving.
Exactly,
Riding low.
Exactly.
Riding dirty.
Hop in it. If you look closely, it's hard to see during the day, but it's got the shooting star.
Oh, you do got the headliner.
Shooting star too.
Oh, that is awesome. Let me put that in R8. How's it drive? Smooth, huh?
Exactly. And then when you sit in the
This
back,
is crazy.
there's the door button up here, and you hold
Get
that down.
out.
Close
I knew the
to
front had, I know the back had it. That's sick.
It's raining out. You got the umbrella.
Woo!
Rolls Royce.
Hit it with it.
I like that. Oh, that is cool.
Is
Yeah.
the chauffeur like in the trunk or
Hey,
something
man,
too?
you don't get that in a Porsche.
No, you certainly
Well, this is gonna be it. When I turn 50, I'm getting it. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's the real ride right there. Shoot. We're headed to South Coast OC. Let's get it. I need this new exhaust, man. Let's go. Sorry, trees. Back roads of San Diego. It's crazy. I need to come driving back here more often. There's some crazy houses and definitely some nice views over here. That's for sure. Look at that little hidden trail up there. That's sick. The crackles are insane. Listen. I bet Brock is like, what the hell's going on? You think?
Dude, that's loud. You're my car.
Uh-oh, another slight flex. All we doing all day is flexing.
Cold.
It is kind of cold. Wanna know why? Because we're cold. Cold as ice. Straight dripping. Back crackles all day. That's what we doing. Just snap, crackling, popping. I hope you enjoy the popcorn show. Telling everybody, welcome to the popcorn show.
Right?
We're gonna be late. We gotta get there quick. We gotta get there fast. And look at the dog. The dog is rolling. Like that, we are here. Once again, it's packed like always. It is packed. Woo! Packed out. Like always. This place is crazy. Every time I come back, it gets bigger, and bigger. Question is, where is Aiken? Where is Aiken? This guy shows up and starts talking. Dang,
cracked windshield?
Yeah.
Don't worry about
that.
that.
Was Damon. That was Damon.
Okay.
Dang, you want to talk about limbo game? Limbo game. Wow. That GTR. That's limbo right there,
Big
boy.
Daddy Pain.
How low can you go? Dude, right? Let me see. How low can you go? When you start getting cars like that, that's a whole nother level right there. That is crazy.
You got so much going on around you, you can't even focus.
At all. At all. At all. Look at this. This is crazy. What the hell? This is crazy. Wow. Right? You can just smell it. Oh my God. Right? You can see it. See it now, right? You can see the gas coming out. Like literally, gas is squirting out. Oh my God. Crazy, right? Now look, then you come to this. You get supercars, and then you get your classics. So this is crazy. I like the rustic finish. Awesome. Shamrock. Now when you get tired, Brock, take a seat. I'm just saying.
That's a big seat. I can do a burnout in that thing, watch.
What? Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. This is gonna be the Skinny J tour. My man's first time here, the South Coast.
Absolutely. Yeah.
We weren't necessarily late, we weren't necessarily on time. We kind of showed up fashionably late, right? But I'm gonna give him a tour. This place is just nuts. There's so much to look at, we get confused, but we're just gonna take a spin.
Don't even know what we're looking at sometimes.
Right?
Need to be told what I'm looking at.
Look at all this, man. Look at that over there. That's nuts. Wagons. I don't even know what to call this thing. That's nuts. It's huge. You get the swan though on the front. Look at the swan, boy. So you go from the old school wagons and then bam, random Lamborghini.
Living in Southern California.
Right, right. California living, guys, I'm telling you. Supercharged though. Woo! By VF. I actually am thinking about getting a VF supercharger. I'm not gonna lie. What do you think about me supercharging the R8?
Don't kill yourself.
Let me ask this. Twin turbo or supercharger?
Twin turbo.
What? Really?
I'm a TT guy myself.
I know.
Double T's.
I know, you're right. But this forged carbon is sick. I love that forged carbon. Porsches don't got that.
No, they don't.
Wow. Get out. Still the best car here though. Oh my God. Woo! R8. So sick. Alright. I feel like a bad friend. I didn't even ask to see your damn wheels. Prepare yourself. Okay guys, go ahead, get some popcorn, get some tissue if you're sensitive, because this is gonna make you cry. It's gonna change the game right now. Carbon fiber center. We got the tangy orange lip. Like, let's go. Dude, like seriously. Yo, this setup is crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Come on, you guys. Please, can we get a round of applause? Can we get a round of applause? Let it go. Yep, there we go. That was quiet. Let's see how mine compares. Yeet. Uh-oh, popcorn. Oh, man. Take off. Oh yeah. I need to start driving through SD more. Look at this. Wow, look at this view. This view is crazy. I'm gonna say bye to Brock.
Bye, everybody.
All right, brother, man, I'll hit you up. All right. All right, you guys, a little tunnel run. Bang, bang. Ooh. Man, what a day. Our road crew, you see, I'm back home. Man, what a day. Had a blast hitting the streets with my boy Brock. Join the movement. Join the world crew, fam. Just like that, we out.